Hello and welcome to English Language Tour. Hope you have had a great day so far. Today we are going to learn 12 adjectives in the adjective tour so that we can improve our speaking ability. Stay with us until the end of the video and let's learn. Among English learners, 3 adjectives are always widely used to describe how people feel in 3 situations. I mean happiness, sadness, and anxiety. These 3 adjectives are happy, sad, and nervous, which you are familiar with. But in the English language, there are other adjectives that we can use instead of these 3 ordinary. This can give more details about person's feeling. So let's start and please pay attention to the details of the meaning. When a person feels happy or very happy. Number 1. Overjoyed. Overjoyed means extremely happy. For example, she will be overjoyed to see you. It means that she will be very happy to see you.
I am overjoyed that God has chosen Joseph Amapleamo.
It's your choice, and they are so overjoyed to have had the opportunity to make sweet, sweet love to you.
Authority, your disregard for the chain of command. They'll be overjoyed to hear that you ordered a raid on one of the Bureau's own safe house.
Number 3. Delighted. Delighted means feeling or showing great pleasure. For instance, she has a delighted smile.
I am delighted to have it so unexpectedly restored to me.
And here was I thinking that any father would be delighted to have a ninja as a daughter.
And so, ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to say that the winner of the Guild of Motoring Writers Award Driver of the Year is James Hunt.
Number 4. Thrilled. Thrilled means very excited or feeling great excitement. For example, his kiss thrilled and excited her.
Thrilled to meet you. It's an honor to be a part of this.
We are all thrilled that you'll be coming to London.
We're thrilled to have renowned nature photographer Cole Taylor here with us in the gallery to talk about his work.
Well, now let's go to when a person feels sad and want to cry. Number 5. Miserable. Miserable means wretchedly unhappy or uncomfortable. For example, their happiness made Jean feel even more miserable.
You know, one of these days, Ron Cray, your miserable life will swallow you whole.
Just like the rest of your miserable lives, this is nothing more than a statistical inevitability.
Here's to 5 miserable months on the wagon and all the irreparable harm that it's caused me.
Number 6. Weepy. Someone who is weepy is sad and likely to cry easily. For example, I suddenly felt very weepy. It means that I suddenly felt I want to cry.
Hey, what's he so weepy about?
This is the real weepy and tragic part of the story beginning.
Number 7. Tearful. If someone is tearful, their face or voice shows that they have been crying or that they want to cry. For example, Kate becomes very tearful when she talks about being fired from her favorite job.
I guess we're gonna skip the Tearful reunion.
Tearful, he swore to me that he felt the touch of God Almighty.
In a tearful apology, Levon pled guilty to running a Ponzi scheme that targeted the elderly in 14 states.
Number 8. Dejected. If you are dejected, you feel miserable or unhappy because you have just been disappointed by something. For instance, he looked a bit dejected. when they told him he didn't get the job.
The lowest and most dejected thing of fortune.
Last night, completely dejected. This morning, near psychotic with glee.
Now, let's go to when a person feels nervous and worried. Number 9. Anxious. Anxious means feeling or showing worry, nervousness about something with an uncertain outcome. For example, Taylor is extremely anxious about his next exam.
He is anxious, angry.
You're not even a little anxious about it?
Which is advantageous for everybody since our customers are anxious to avoid attracting attention to themselves.
Number 10. Apprehensive. Apprehensive means worried or nervous about something that you are going to do or about the future. For example, I was apprehensive that something would go wrong.
Holmes, I don't mind telling you, I'm a bit apprehensive about this. Maybe I am a little too apprehensive, but it's because I want to get this picture made, Marvin.
Number 11. Tense. A tense situation is one in which you feel very anxious and worried because of something bad that might happen. For example, is anything wrong? You look a bit tense.
So, baby, what the hell are you so tense about? Come on, lighten up, Red.
It is a very tense situation, and I just want to assure the families of those who are there that we are doing everything we possibly can to try to ensure the safety of our citizens there.
Number 12. On edge. If you are on edge, you are tense, nervous, and unable to relax. For example, my nerves were constantly on edge.
Okay, I get it. We're all a little on edge here.
On the morning of the auction, I was on edge.
Well, we have reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this part. If you like our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you a good day. Goodbye.